Hello viewers, good morning to everybody. I am Dr. Shitesh Chandra Vishwas inviting you to my today's video, contributing cultivation on balcony. You see that contributing is a very popular vegetable of Bangladesh, and normally it is grown as a field grown crop in open field or in some cases in the homestead areas. But here we can see the country bean has been cultivated on balcony. For this purpose we have settled a rack on the balcony, and along with other vegetable crops like Indian spinach, pumpkin, sweet potato, we are also producing country bean on my balcony garden. For this purpose, we placed few seeds in the soil of a small container, and after providing usual care and maintenance, these two country bean plants have been raised, and after passing 45 days to 50 days, the plants came into flowering, and now you can see a good number of country bean have been produced in these two plants. You see here the plants produced a good number of vines over the grills, and these vines are producing good quality country beans here on my balcony garden. You see the quality of the country beans are very good, longer fruits, to some extent fleshy, and seems to be very palatable. All along 20 fruits have been produced by the two plants. You see here the plants are to some extent vigorous and well branched. You see the plants looks very beautiful at this stage, and in this way you can consume country bean by producing country beans on your balcony garden, and you can also distribute country bean to your neighbors. Not only that, you can also enjoy the beautiful scenery of your balcony garden growing country bean plants on your balcony garden. Thank you very much.